At dawn, aloe fields stretch across the horizon. Rows of mature leaves stand ready for harvest. Carefully selected plants ensure consistent gel quality. Each cut is precise, protecting the integrity of every leaf. Only mature, optimal aloe leaves are chosen for processing. Freshness is essential. Every leaf is handled with precision and care. Fresh aloe begins its journey within minutes of harvesting. From the fields, the harvest moves swiftly toward the facility. Speed matters. The journey continues as tons of fresh aloe arrive at the processing plant.
Looks like a good batch coming in. 75 kilograms.
Here, quality control begins immediately. From nature to technology, the transition is seamless. Each leaf represents purity, freshness, and potential. Inside the receiving hall, the process begins. Aloe leaves now enter advanced automated washing systems. Powerful jets rinse away dust, residue, and field impurities. Clean water flows across every surface. Multiple stages of washing guarantee unmatched cleanliness. Hygiene is fundamental. Purity is protected at every step. Every leaf emerges pristine, washed, sanitized, and ready for transformation. Leaves move toward precision cutting stations. Blades align with millimetric accuracy. This stage prepares the aloe for gel extraction. From vast, technology-driven aloe fields to precision scientific control, each plant is monitored, nurtured, and optimized from the very beginning.
The green fluorescence in the red tag sample is significantly brighter than the control.
Yes, the cellular uptake seems much higher with this vector.
The extracted gel enters the refining stage. Multiple filtration systems begin their work. Every particle is controlled. Clarity increases. The gel becomes uniform, smooth, and refined. Nothing unnecessary remains, only clean.
We are clear for stage 3.
Premium aloe gel continues forward. Quality is engineered step by step. Now the gel enters stabilization chambers. Advanced systems examine the finished aloe product. Optical sensors verify clarity, purity, and consistency. Each batch is inspected with extreme detail. Temperature carefully controlled, environment perfectly balanced. Precision engineering protects quality. From harvesting to stabilization, every second matters. This phase ensures aloe remains pure, natural, and ready for the world. In the final stage of production, the purified aloe extract flows into a fully automated bottling line. Precision machinery fills each container with exact consistency. Here, technology and quality control work in perfect harmony to guarantee excellence. Approved units are carefully packaged. Labels ensure traceability and authenticity. Sealed, protected, and preserved. The final pallets are prepared for shipment. The journey now reaches its final stage of refinement. Each premium aloe product is carefully filled, sealed, and prepared with exceptional precision.
We'll start with the California market. It's our strongest entry point.
We'll move forward with 3 formats for California: premium bottles, single-dose sachets, and the luxury gift sets.
We'll send the bulk load by sea. It's more cost-effective. But we'll also schedule an express shipment by air.
Behind every world-class product, there is strategy, vision, and precision. Here, industry leaders analyze performance, logistics, and international demand, ensuring Aloe Vera innovations reach markets worldwide. With precision logistics, the finished Aloe Vera products now move toward global distribution. Containers are secured, documented, and loaded onto massive cargo vessels, ensuring safe delivery to markets around the
On
world.
the right. Keep it coming. Received. Moving the next pallet up.
Prepared with precision, our Aloe Vera products are now dispatched by air, ensuring fast, fresh delivery across the world. From industrial precision to refined presentation, the journey of Aloe Vera continues here, inside premium health and beauty stores. Each product is carefully displayed, ensuring quality, freshness, and trust. Every bottle, every package represents hundreds of steps of science, care, and craftsmanship. Customers don't just see a product, they see a promise of hydration, skin relief, natural healing, and wellness. Aloe Vera has earned its place as one of the world's most respected natural ingredients, and now it is ready for the world.
We should go in, it looks amazing.
Beyond retail shelves, Aloe Vera plays a powerful role in wellness.
People often ask what aloe vera is used for. Well, its applications go far beyond skincare. From luxury spa treatments into medical healing and even home wellness routines, aloe plays a major role in everyday life. Let me show you some of the most fascinating ways it's used around the world.
In spas and therapeutic centers, aloe gel is used to calm the skin, reduce irritation, soothe after-sun sensitivity, and provide deep hydration. Its cooling nature delivers instant relief, transforming the spa experience into true skin therapy. In medical environments, aloe vera goes beyond beauty. Dermatologists and healthcare professionals rely on its properties to support skin recovery, reduce inflammation, assist in burn care, and promote healing. From clinics to hospitals, aloe vera is part of real medical solutions.
And that's how aloe gel is made, freed from plant to bottle. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.